Meditation is a technique used to calm the mind. It is a practice that has been around for centuries and it has been proven to be beneficial in many ways. A lot of people are turning to meditation as a way of dealing with stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also help with physical health by lowering blood pressure and heart rate, among other things. If you're having trouble getting started with meditation or just don't know where to start, this article will help you get started on your journey. Meditation is a practice of training the mind to be aware of its thoughts and feelings. It is one of the most popular methods for stress relief and anxiety management. Meditation can be done with or without the help of a physical object, such as a statue, or by focusing on a word, sound, or phrase. There are many different types of meditation that you can do depending on your needs and preferences. For example, some people like to use guided meditations where they follow instructions from an audio recording. Other people prefer silent meditation where they focus on their breathing and try to clear their mind. Meditation is a practice of sitting calmly and focusing on your breath. It is a way to relax and allow thoughts to come and go without attaching to them or following them. One of the main benefits of meditation is that it can help you be more mindful, which can lead to better health, relationships, and happiness. There are many different approaches to meditation, but all have the same ultimate goal, being present in the moment.